welcome back. We are now on sixth lesson for the beginners. Okay, this is for the beginners. Okay, I mentioned to you that I was going to provide you another song, another 3-chord songs for this lesson. However, I changed my mind. We're gonna keep on using. For this lesson, we're gonna keep the same music. Jeremiah was a bullfrog, but if you want, you can play with me when it comes to the refrain, okay? But before that, as I promised you, I promised you the chord chart, right? Because we're doing transposition. Now we're doing the D, right? And the D, and then I provided you, on this chart, I provide you the D and the E chord chart for 1, 4, and 5. Now, if you do not understand what I'm talking about here, that means you haven't taken the previous lesson, which is the 5th. So you might want to take a look at that one first. Okay, so you understand what I'm talking about, because I provided the chart there. Now, before we go, and here's the chart. Okay, I hope you took some notes there, alright? With this, Jeremiah was a bullfrog, because I've sang this one when I was in high school, when I attended a night with the Lord. This is back in the Philippines, and they just sing the refrain. Now when I found out the verses for these songs, I realized it's not age appropriate, you know, since I have taught from the age of 8 years old and up and above. I thought this may not be appropriate for them as well, just in case they are watching, they're looking to this one as well. So what I've done here is I have changed the words. Okay, totally changed the words so that it will be age appropriate. I hope I am not violating a copyright here, and if I am, I hope you will let me know. Okay, somebody will let me know. But for this purpose, so that it will be age appropriate as well as taking in light of coronavirus, I also taken that when I try to compose the first and second verse only. Now, I just thought of this, I am inviting any one of you to do the third verse, okay? Just one verse, just the third verse, to incorporate into this music, making sure that it is gonna be age appropriate, okay? Because otherwise, we'll just have fun, right? Okay, and it's gonna go like this. And as I said earlier in my previous songs, you know, you have to feel the music, okay? This is going to be in the key of D, all right? So see if you can follow in terms of what chords am I using, okay? Providing that I've provided you those chord progression for the key of D. So you're gonna have to play with that. Which chord am I playing on this music, okay? When it comes to the verses, all right? So here we go. Let me. Alright, let's try this one, including the introduction, the way the music's supposed to play, okay? Oh, excuse me. Let's see. Summertime is round the corner. I can't wait to heat again. Everybody's anxious to get the summer to see, and it'll get rid of this coronavirus. virus. This I know 'cause I was told. But if everyone will just go down his knees, I'm sure our faith will get the virus away, and God's healing grace will be on its way. Singing now, joy to the world. Oh, the boys and girls now, joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea, joy to you and me, joy to the world. Oh, the boys and girls, joy to the world, joy to you and me, joy to the world. Oh, the boys and girls now, joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea, joy to you and me, joy to you and me. Alright, isn't that fun? Alright, you probably noticed about, you can try to do that, you can feel yourself that even by just doing the just instead of the chord, the one I was using, because I don't think you'll be able to find that one, is just the note, okay? Just a string, and you can feel yourself where it is, and then you go with a D, right? With a D, and the clue is it's on the 5th string, okay? It's on the 5th string, and then try that one. Also, as I said, I am inviting you, if you want to create the 3rd verse, okay? And you gotta let me know about that one. If you're doing so, or you even want to video yourself, and then you can let me know. Now, see that? You're not only learning how to play the guitar, but you're also gonna be using your creative brain, creative side, creative mind to be able to compose a music, you know, lyrics for this particular song. As I said, I hope we are not violating a copyright here, but it's just for fun, learning this music, and because the original music is not age appropriate, that's the reason why I changed this. Okay? In any case, have fun and thank you for watching again. I'll see you on the next lesson.